the investors voted for the company to uphold and promote freedom of expression.
But Apple is yet to listen and continue to embolden the government of China and expand its repression.
From Tibet to East Turkestan, China, and now Hong Kong.
Tim Cook, when will you keep your promise for Apple to be a force for good in the world?
When will you stop aiding the government of China in their crackdown on freedom?